Hey guys, welcome back to GGTV. It's Jessie here. Tomorrow I'm going to the beach. And so today I'm bringing you with me for packing. So today's video is pack with me for the beach. So right now it is 8:58 and today I have church. So church starts at 9 and as you know my church is right there and so I can just walk and so I can see you after church. So I am back from church. Right now it's 12:10 and so me and my family are either going to eat lunch here or we are going to go out. And you may be asking, like, why isn't people in my house? Because I had to leave a little teeny tiny bit early to let Roro out. And so, yeah, I'm going to keep you updated. Okay, guys, so I got home from lunch and I went with my family and I brought one home with me. This is my cousin Cooper. And then my mom. And then Roro's being a crazy dog. So I'm going to change and I will see you later. I changed and me and Cooper, my cousin's name, we are going to go outside. And I got shorts on, pineapple shirt, ponytail. So we're gonna go outside and set up a hammock. So I'm gonna bring you along with me. So Coot is already outside with the hammock and Roro. I call her Roro, but her name's Rory. So, we are setting up
a big boy hammock.
Yeah, hammock. It's a double nester.
Hey, dog.
If that makes any sense. It means in hammock language it can fit 2 people.
Hey, dog. Dog's trying to eat it.
Roro is being pretty crazy
Hold
right
up,
now.
I got the camera right now.
Okay.
Hey.
I can flip it there.
Hello. Stop it. Stop it.
I'm going to bring her inside.
Okay.
Let's go, Roro.
Okay. I guess it's just me out here. Oh, I'm sorry if I didn't introduce myself. I am Cooper, her favorite cousin, her best cousin. They just went inside, but okay. And yep, there she is.
Hey.
And we put Roro inside because she's really annoying.
Being a crazy boy.
She was being really annoying. But her name's Rory, but we call her Roro. So there she is setting up the hammock. Okay. This might sound like a different voice. It is Cooper, her favorite cousin, her best cousin. Yes, I just did.
Okay, so I'm trying to find a good stick to throw over because we used to have a rope there, but then it snapped it snapped.
And now we can't use it.
So now I have to throw it over, and then I'm using the stick, my boy stick, to help me.
This is Cooper.
Yeah. Can you do it?
Bad camera filming. Yeah. She's gonna take the camera. This is Cooper. I'm her favorite cousin, her best cousin.
If you can tell, it's really foggy. So Cooper's gonna try the camera now. We'll see you when we got the hammock set up. Hey guys, so I said I would video and vlog as soon as it was set up, but we set it up and then it started raining, so we went inside and I didn't want the camera to be wet, and so, hey Buster, and so I have my suitcase behind me and we are going to pack. My favorite toy in the world. So, yeah, let's get started. No, this is the Buster show. Buster show. So
if you don't like me,
bust out of here.
then yeah, bust out of here. And smash that like button if you think I'm cute. If we can get to 5 likes, I'll be in the next video. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Bust her out. Bust her out. I'm not out yet. So, oh yeah. Bust her out.
So, my suitcase, I got my suitcase right here, and it's completely empty. And then on the top I have the bathing suits that I'm going to wear. I have this one, has a braid on the back, super cute. And then it has a bottom that matches. Monks.
Hi. I'm a magnet.
And so I like this one because it has a braid on back. It's really pretty. I'll show you sometime when I have it on. And then this is my favorite bathing suit that I'm wearing.
Unless
It is.
I have in an aquarium.
Yeah. So it is this design, and then is the top. I don't know why I like this one so much. I just do. Oh, actually, no, never mind. This one is my favorite. I have the onesie. That's
There's a
super
watermelon.
cute. It is a watermelon, and then you tie it. It's a one piece, and then it has a skirt. It's super adorable.
I
So-
hate watermelon.
I do too, honestly. And it has a little skirt, which makes it really cute. And so there's my bathing suits. I don't know why I packed 3 bathing suits for 3 days, but I don't know. So it's time to pack my outfits.
Do you like bananas, everybody? Because if you do, smash that like button and subscribe.
Oh yeah, Monks is right. If you like bananas, subscribe and like this video. And since I said 5 likes, we'll get to see Buster again. Well, Buster said that. 5 likes, we'll get to see Buster and Monks again.
No, 10 likes. 10 likes for Monks and Buster.
10 likes for Monks and Buster. 5 likes for Buster.
Right, Monks? Uh-huh.
So, my closet's not very interesting, but we're going to go with it.
It's a big closet.
We are going to go. Okay, guys. So, welcome to my closet. Nothing.
Oops.
Nothing interesting in the closet, but my outfit. So,
Harry Potter. Iron Man,
one outfit I'm going
Rapunzel,
to do
music stuff.
is pink
Hairdresser.
leggings. You can never go wrong with the leggings.
Cool.
And then which should I?
Yeah. Which
And
shirt?
then the Simply Southern pig shirt. Look at this pig. Very nice pig. Oh yeah, pig. Go, go. Never go wrong with the pig. Oh yeah, never go wrong with the pig. Oh yeah, never go wrong with the pig. So put that in here. Outfit number 2. Time. So my next outfit actually, so I'm going to bring 4 outfits, but I'm going to bring my running gear because me and my mom like to run, and we're going to run along the beach. We're going to do 2 miles.
Yeah, you can never go wrong with the pig. You can never go wrong with the pig.
And so I have my running
No.
gear. I have my Under Armour shirts. And then I have my running leggings. They're really nice.
Short.
They're like
They're
capris.
short. They're basically short.
They're capris.
But when you put them on, there's like, they squish your legs.
I have no idea what he's doing.
Yes, she does. And I don't even know.
Lip balm.
But, cool.
So outfit number 2 out of 4 goes in the bag.
I'm going to get something. No, I'm not.
So, next outfit. Okay, so my next outfit is going to be these shorts. The jean shorts.
The jean shorts.
Mid-rise. So they're cute. And I'm going to match that with
Oh.
my Elefante shirt.
Never go wrong with the Elefante. The glittery Elefante.
Glittery.
With no eyes and no back.
The tree elephant.
Whoop!
So this is outfit 3 out of 4.
I'm actually kind of hungry right now.
So my next outfit is what I call a CCO. Cute, comfy outfit. So this is a koala shirt.
Oh, koala. I found a squishy.
And I'm going to match it with these
I
sweatpants. This is the outfit. So I brought an extra outfit, and this is going to be the extra outfit because I'm probably not going to end up wearing it at the beach because it would be too hot. But
Maybe. It might rain.
Anyway, so this is outfits that I wear out. Next is PJ outfits. I'm going to bring one.
Why so many outfits?
No, I'm bringing PJs now.
I hate PJs. I just wear regular day clothes for PJs.
Okay, guys. So
I do not wear jeans to bed. That'll just be weird. Ooh, what's this? Yum.
Tennis racket, dude.
I know.
Okay, so my PJs number 1
Yum.
is
Taste of
I have so many watermelon stuff. So this
Even
is
though she hates watermelon.
Yeah, I don't like watermelon. It's kind of gross.
It's
And-
too sweet.
Really? I think it's too tart. Anyway, so
I don't like the texture.
yeah, me neither. So I have this dressing gown, nightgown.
Look at that. It's a
whatever,
pig.
whatever. And so and PJ's 1 out of 2.
Look. It's pancakes. Let me just do my magic work. Now it's a waffle. Isn't that cool? That's so cool. Now I'm going to make the other side a waffle. Do my magic work.
My next.
And now it's a waffle. Waffles are good, right?
I don't like waffles very much.
What?
They're okay. So
Do you like
next
pancakes, though?
they're okay too. So
What?
I have these 2-piece pajamas. They're pink, purple and plaid, and this is like a flannel, not flannel. Well, I mean it is a flannel, but PJ flannel. So I'm going to put this on.
That's basically like a robe, kind of. Yeah, I knew you weren't crying. You do that all the time to me.
Okay, so another thing I'm going to be packing is my toys, some of my toys. So I have Buster, who is on the car, carry on. And then this is also carry on my pillow.
Oh, don't forget her iPad. Her iPad.
No, I can't. I don't pack that right now.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, it's in
But
the
she's
living
definitely
room.
going to bring her iPad.
My iPad's in the living room. My iPad's in the living room. I'm going to bring it later, but this is carry on. And then I have Tigger, who is going to go in the suitcase. But now it's time for bathroom stuff. So I have my bag, and it's holographic on the bottom, and it has a J.
Can I see? Can I see the holographic stuff?
Fun. Yeah. So I have toothbrush, toothpaste, a towel for like body wash, and then my mom's gonna bring the body wash. I don't have body wash. And then you have lotion, floss, shampoo and conditioner, and deodorant.
And guys, excuse me. And guys, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe and turn on your post notification so you can get a notification every time she posts a new video, guys.
Okay, guys. So
That's all for today, I guess.
yeah. So I finished packing.